Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy gift cards on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon website. Once you're in the website, search for gift cards. Now, you can see different options here for gift cards. Choose the one you like. You can also change the prices of the gift cards. Once you're happy with your selection, click on Buy Now. And now you have to choose your payment method and click on Continue. And that's how you can buy a gift card on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.